Mia. We still in the studio. It's what, 7 o'clock? Frankie, baby.
What up?
Chief Pale Feet. Frank was just saying that there's never no reality show recording a gospel group recording ACD, showing the process. But there is Stretch TV. I'm gonna turn it off me because I'm pretty sure I look real black. But we're doing it. We're finishing it up. I know you hear that screaming.
Today, Stretch TV 1.
Hey, make it happen. Everybody's got a dream out there. Post your stuff. Post what you're doing. Post your goals. We're making it happen. The studio we're in right now is the glory of accomplishment. It's one man's dream, and this is what he's done. He's stretched to make it happen. Let's make it happen, people. Can I hear somebody say stretch?
Stretch!
Hey, watch out there now.